Hello there and welcome back. I received this and they said that it's broken. We tried to fix it with just simple tools. First we need to find out what is going on with it. So I connect it. It's one of those simple things that you can use it with USB or cable C. So let's start it and see what happens. Well, nothing happened. So nothing at all. It's more like you're having a hard time to start. It's like a moving bloop 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 bloop. So what I actually going to do, I'm going to open it up, clean it up, and this probably something in the or the motor that is stopping this for continue doing. So let's do some cleanup and see how it works. So this side is the cover, so we don't need to take this side out. So we're going to start it from the side where the motor is attached to it. Alright, so we got the cover out, let's take it out. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I can see a lot of dirt and hair and everything in there. We need to clean it up. Also, this has to be clean in the inside. It's not interfering the movement of the motor, but it's good just to clean it up. Alright, so this is the motor. Let's figure out how we can do this. And one particular thing I want to point out, those things, they actually metal. I was expecting those to be plastic, but this is a kind of high quality fan. This one is metal too. It look wood, but it's actually metal. So I give you a thumbs up for that. There's one screw right here, so we can remove this part. So far I can see a lot of dirt, well not dirt, dust, hair and things like that in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the compressor and I'm going to blow some air in there. So let's do some air, clean it up, and I will be right back. So far so good. So what did I do? First, I cleaned this. Actually, I tried to clean it with the little rod or something, but it was so bad that I actually had to do soap and water. But it's okay, it's metal. If it was really bad, this one has worked well. I just soap and water. You don't have anything, and everything is is metal. This one, like I say, is a metal. If yours is wood or any other material that cannot use water, just clean it out with a little rag. But this one will be okay. Every time that I fix something, I always like to clean it up if I'm going to put it on use again, because I don't know where those things coming from. So far so good. It's been clean, soap and water, it's been dry. Now for the motor. At the motor I do not put any water at all, because you know, electronic and water, they are not good. What I did, I blow it with air all around this area with the compressor. I lower the pressure of the compressor so it's not going to like blow all over the place, but I lower it so so you can clean it up without damaging the components. And with the wet rag, I just wipe it outside, get a little bit of alcohol and clean it. Since this one don't have any soap and water, I use some alcohol just to clean it. Now I just wipe it up, you know, dry it up, a little bit of residue of alcohol and things like that. But seems to be okay. Even when I move it, it's moving more faster and freely. So that was a lot of dust there. So let's proceed to assembly. First, let's get this. One fun fact about the screws, I normally tending to, and that's one tip. The tip is never wash the screws on the sink without cover the sink. I normally wash the screws and then I cover the sink, the drain, just in case it fall. Well, this case I was doing faster and one of the screws fall and just pull the drain. I had to go through the shop looking for one screw similar to that. Luckily I find one. Alright, let's go back. We got 4 holes right here that is aligning with these 4 holes. So I just find the holes right there. As long as it's aligning, I am okay to put the screw. See? So make sure that, you know, the letters and the brand and whatever is just in the right direction. Aligning the screws with the holes, and just as simple as putting the screws back. Like I say, this is just simple tools. I'm using 2 screwdrivers, and this is a flat screwdriver that I'm not even using. It's all done, it's all assembled, clean. Let's plug it in and see how we did. This is the cable. Like I mentioned, this is like a USB-C. So let's start it. Look at that. It's blowing. It's blowing hard. In the beginning when we tested, that we started, it's like start doing like a So now it just press it. On those fans, it go automatically to the 3rd speed. So, and they're pretty good. It's clean. It's something that I just found, and it could be to the landfill, and I'm going to put it back in service. It's actually a good little fans. It put a lot of air out. It pushed a lot of air out. So if you're looking for any of that or something similar, I'm going to put something in the description where you can get it. It could be Amazon or chains, where you can get it in really low discount. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new, some tips. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye bye.